Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about JavaScript switch case statement. So the switch case statement is used to select and execute one block of code from multiple blocks of code. So the syntax of the switch case statement is, first of all we have the switch keyword, and then inside the parentheses we have the expression, and then we have one set of curly braces. Now inside the curly braces we have a number of case along with the block of code. So first of all we have case x. So if the value of expression matches with the value of x, then the corresponding block of code will be executed, and then because of the break keyword the control will exit the switch case statement. But if the first case does not match, then the second case will be checked. So if the value of y matches with the value of expression, then the corresponding block of code will be executed, and then because of the break keyword the control will exit the switch case statement. But if none of the cases matches with the expression value, then we have the default block, so the default block of code will be executed. So let's now do an example program. So inside the script tag, first of all we're going to create one variable x with the value 1, and now we're gonna use the switch keyword. So inside the parentheses we're gonna switch against the value of the variable x, and now inside the curly braces we're going to have multiple case alongside their block of code. So first of all we're gonna have the case 1. So if the value of x equals to 1, then we're gonna console log the string 1 onto the console, and after that we're gonna have the break keyword to break out of the switch case statement. And now we're gonna have the second case, which is case 2. So if the value of x becomes 2, then we're gonna console log the string 2 onto the console, and after that we're gonna have the break keyword, and this way we're gonna have the case 3, and we're gonna console log the string 3 onto the console, and again we're gonna have the break keyword, and also we're gonna have one default block which is going to console log invalid onto the console. So here we have one switch case statement along with several different cases along with their block of code. So now because the value of x is 1, which is exactly matches with the first case, so we should see the string 1 onto the console. So now we're gonna save this program, and you can see we have the string 1 onto the console. Now if we set the value of x and assign it 2, and you can see it printed 2 onto the console. That's because this time the value of x is 2, which exactly matches the second case, so that's why it has printed 2 onto the console. But if we pass one value which is not in the case, like an example, if we pass 0, so now none of the cases matches with the value 0, so we should see the string invalid onto the console. So if we save, and you can see we have the string invalid onto the console. And also in JavaScript, two case can use one single code base. So for that we have to just delete that block of code, and now whether the value of x is 1 or we set the value of x to 2, in both the cases it will print the string 2 onto the console. So that's because now the case 1 and case 2 are using the same code base, and that's why it is printing the string 2 onto the console. So this way we can use the switch case statement in JavaScript, and we can select and execute one block of code among multiple blocks of codes. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.